In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your LinkedIn account. So to do this, you need to head over to an internet browser and launch up linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account and then click on your profile in the top right hand side. From here, come down to Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down to the account management section at the bottom, and we have two different options. You can either hibernate your account, which is obviously a temporary thing, or if you want to delete your account permanently, then select close account. So as you can see, this will delete all of our information and connections and messages and things. So if you want to continue, just press this button here. Select the reason why you want to close your account. I'm just going to press Other. Click on Next, enter some text in this box and press Next again. Enter your LinkedIn password to confirm, and also I'd recommend checking unsubscribe me from LinkedIn emails and press Done. And there you go, you've now permanently deleted your LinkedIn account. It can take up to 24 hours to remove all of your personal information, and it can even take a few weeks for all of your information to disappear from the public search engines. So that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.